Well, this is a beautiful place, but there's something that's not so beautiful about this place is we've had 2 earthquakes in the last 24 hours here. Sun's just peeking its head over, not even the horizon yet, but the light's coming. And here's Mama's turtle. You gonna kiss the turtle? Qué bonita la tortuga. It looks like it's coming out of that wall. And then here's our little telescope they got for 15 bucks at the Goodwill store. Look at this beautiful ocean. And there is fishing boats on the ocean today. We have people working. Check out this old car. It's a Chevy Apache. Estos no es original. De atrás.
No, ese no es.
¿Tú no tienes el de atrás original?
Ahí está.
¿O aquí?
Ahí está abajo.
Debajo todo esto algo? So the bed is under here. I think actually right here. Not sure, but there's the doors. The puertas. But it's all here.
Ya andábamos en él. Ya ni íbamos echado a volar, pero.
Oh, it's got the hood. It's all here, man. It's an old truck. ¿Qué año tú crees?
No sé qué decir. ¿Qué año será? Ahorita que venga.
Yo creo
Unos 70.
and then here's a motor for it. It's a Chevy. I think it's a 350. This guy's working on my truck. I'm having problems with my truck. We're in Mexico, we're having problems. Truck's being worked on. You got a radiator that was bought a new radiator. Here's our old radiator. And the bottom orifice tube here is broken. And then the new radiator, it's got a crack on the plastic on the bottom. Brand new one. So we're waiting for a new one to come. Bought all this for $26. It was just under $26. That's probably 2 pounds of shrimp. That's steak. And big thing of tortillas. 1 avocado, 3. That's it, huh, Mom? That was $26. So it's not as cheap as it used to be in Mexico to buy food. That's not a lot of food for 26 bucks, but I think it's still cheaper than in America. I'm not sure. You know, because you can get shrimp, but for one thing, the shrimp that you get in the store in Tucson is from, you know, farmed shrimp from Asia or somewhere. You know, this just came out of the ocean right off the coast here where I'm at. So we bought this too. This is true. So the salsa also. Well, folks, this is a first for me. Look at that freaking thing. Is this an eel or a snake? I don't know what it is, but it's not good, I can tell you that. So I'm gonna cut this hook and let him go. We just bought her a Bible she's been looking for forever.
What is it?
And it was like maybe 50 bucks. And look how big it is. To give you an idea, I think this would be like,
Aquí, aquí, aquí.
yeah, and look how big
This
the
is the
words are. She's been looking forever.
Thank you, Lord, for my Bible.
Yeah, I'm glad you got
Now
it.
I don't have excuse for not read the Bible.
No more excuses. There must be a snake outside. You ain't going out. You're staying in.
On the corner.
Oh, it's just it's a little oh, es nada.
Stay back, Sean.
Oh, todos.
I know, be careful, Sean.
I gotta see his head. Espérate.
Yo tengo
I want to
miedo.
see his head.
¿Tú lo vas a agarrar, Shan? No te vas a morder.
Sean, be careful, Sean.
No, he's not a poisonous snake. No, it's really also.
Ay, no, toma. Hold with that one, Sean.
When?
Hold with that one.
No, I'm hurting. They bite a lot.
Leave her live, Sean.
When?
Sí. Ay, be careful, Sean. It's in front of you. Te anda siguiendo, Isidro.
¿La quiere agarrar, Shan? ¿Qué quiere hacer?
Si la quiere agarrar,
¿Con la cabeza?
sí.
Ay, ¿qué es este hombre?
I know one that bite you, Sean.
Si amigo de agarrarla. La quiere agarrar.
I can't tell if he's venomous.
Acérquese para que la grabe bien, dijo.
Ay, si no veo por el sol. No puedo
His
grabarlo.
head looks a little bit big. I don't think he's venomous, but I don't know for sure.
Be careful, Sean. This could be.
I'm trying to tell by his head. You filming good?
Yeah.
I think he's just a garter.
Leave her go.
All right, we'll just leave him alone.
I know why she bite you, Sean.
Agarra de la cabeza porque te va a morder. Cerca de la cabeza.
Be careful. Isidro said that bite.
Oh, todos pican.
I know one that bite you. Even it's not poison.
I don't know. I can't tell.
No, Sean, that scared me.
He didn't try to bite me. You seen that he didn't try.
Anyway.
I think I could pick him up.
No, Sean, be careful. Isidro said they bite. I know.
Todos picas, amor. Es un víbora, claro. Picas.
Mira, he's doing noises, Sean.
Yeah, it's a...
Isidro, he won't call the víbora. Le digo que la quieres agarrar la víbora.
Give me that. I'll use it. No sé qué es
Ahí está subiendo el palo.
la cabeza.
Está subiendo la palma.
Yo creo es nada. Pobrecito.
Sacando la lengua ya. ¿No tiene horqueta su lengua? Si tiene así horqueta, es que es venenosa. ¿Sí? ¿La sacó?
lengua.
¿La sacó ahorita?
No.
Sí, aquí la sacó.
¿Y tiene horqueta?
No, no alcancé a mirar, no, mire que salió. Está platicando con el chan.
Isidro said maybe it's poison, Sean, because the tank is open.
Sí. Se mira bonito.
Pero no creo es. Pero no sé es.
Búscala en el YouTube, en ese como Gobbler, si es venenosa. Tómale foto y... ¿ya? Toma foto y ahí preguntas si...
I don't know.
It probably doesn't matter. I'm not going to use any of them. They suck. I got one.
Pues sí, es better than nothing.
Yeah, I gotta just learn how to do it, right, Mama? Seeing the water gets low, isn't it, Mama?
I hope we don't get tsunami.
Release it, right? Yeah. So I think I only got one. You see more than one?
No, it's only one.
I think he's gonna be good bait.
Yeah.
Oh, he's alive.
Oh,
Look at him.
that's
He's
good.
swimming. He's swimming. He's not doing good, but he's alive. I need to get 1,000 of those so we don't have to worry about bait. Look at the size of this guy. He's mad too. He's got his pincher up and everything. Look at him. He got his pincher up and everything. He's pissed off. What are you so mad about, dude? Don't kill him. We're gonna let him live. He's not by our house, so that dude, that looks pretty tough. I mean, I'm serious. Look how big he is. That's a big dude. That's a big dude.
You scared me.
Equala. Yeah, let's go. It's going over the mountains. Can't even see it. Looks like the sun coming up. And that's the moon. Wow. In this video, it literally looks like the sun is shining over that mountain. Wow. That has to be the most beautiful moon I've ever seen. This wind is terrible, trying to block it. These trees are like rubber trees. That's really what I think they're even called that. I'm not sure, but they're freaking cool trees. And most of the time they're kind of ugly since I've been out here because they never have any leaves on them. This year we got a lot of water, but it's like a rubber tree. The best way I could describe it is it just feels rubbery, like you can bend it and it doesn't bust. It's just very pliable. already looks different. I just filmed the moon. I'm going to show you guys. That's the telescope I filmed that with. And I used this camera. Which, actually this phone. I used my phone and this. And I just lined up the camera to that. And I filmed the moon. Marita, come here. Look on the phone. Come here, look on the phone.
On my phone?
On my phone, come here.
What is your phone?
Come here. Put it there. Come look at the phone.
Do you want your phone?
No, look at my phone.
Do you want I take one picture?
No, I'm videotaping it.
Oh,
Isn't that crazy?
you are.
I told you I could do it. All right, so we have a trap, a shrimp trap out here, or a crab trap, whatever it is, kind of trap. We've never done this before, right, Rita? Do you think we got anything?
Yeah, it's the first time. It's hard for me to tell you if we had something or no. It look like.
I don't think we have nothing.
No.
Not a thing.
Yeah, you had
Oh,
little
we do. We got.
little babies.
Yeah, we got something in there. Let's see. We got a crab in there, and a fish. You got one of these fish. We got a couple crabs. You see the other crab? What is that? 2 crabs. So it works. 2
Mira,
crabs.
Mira, mira, mira.
Yeah.
Hola,
They're little tiny
Mr.
baby
Crab.
ones.
Hola, Mr. Crab. Mira una tortuga.
Nuh-uh.
And joke.
That'd be cool. Okay, so I gotta try to catch this guy without getting too bit.
Be careful.
Try to see where his
It's
claws
not
are.
baby. He will one bite
Here, why don't you
you.
hold this so I can see better? So, yeah, they're gonna try to bite me for sure.
That one won't bite you.
I can't see where his pinchers are. Oh. All right, let's get rid of this guy first. He's easy. So, he's the cochi fish. You hear him?
Oh yeah, es un cochito.
Little baby cochito. There you go. You get to live, buddy.
Open that one. It's better you open.
I want to try to catch him. Let's see.
Ay, no camino a ver mí. Ay.
Thank you. He's fat, so I think it's like a female or a male or something. You better go back in there, buddy.
Bye.
Okay, so
So the
here's
another
the
you
other one.
open Shan the
Yeah, I
trampa.
think we're gonna have to. He's a little bit too big. I don't want to get bit by him.
Yeah.
All right.
I like the trampa.
Yeah, it
For play.
works. It shows that it works.
Where is your friend?
Come on, guy. There he is. I guess our crab trap worked. These are really good for bait. You know that, right?
No.
Yeah, they are.
Bye.
He
Oh,
bit
you
the shit
scared
out of
me. You scared me.
Well, he bit the shit out of me. Pendejo.
Not touch. I told you.
I know it, but
Not
he's just a mean ass son of a bitch. Here. There he is. He's going. You see him? Look at him kill you, dude. Look at crab. Oh, it's another freaking snake.
Oh no.
Freaking stupid ass snakes. Another big one too. This is a beautiful place, but there's something that's not so beautiful about this place is we've had 2 earthquakes in the last 24 hours here. The last one just happened not even an hour ago. We were already up, so we get up real early in the morning. It was 5:30 in the morning, and we got up around 5-ish, and the earthquake hit about 5:30. We don't have any damage by the grace of God. The epicenter was about 50 miles from here, across the ocean. So right here, the ocean goes around these mountains, and there's an island called Tiburon, and on the other side of the island is Santa Rosa, and that on the other side of the Gulf, on the other side, so the Baja de California is Santa Rosa, and that's like 50 miles this way. That's where the epicenter was, and it was a 5.7. And the last, I asked chat when was the last time there was a 5.7. Short answer, none. So we just experienced the biggest earthquake here. It's not a major earthquake, 5.7, and obviously we're not the epicenter, but I'll tell you right now, I've never felt anything like that, and it scared the crap out of Rita and I. We started running downstairs because we live inside of it. We've bragged about everything being concrete. I think I've told you guys that several times. All of this is concrete above us. This is a big giant concrete building. So we got concrete pillars. This is just a giant, oh boy. So if this is not a great place to be if we have a big earthquake. Evidently, hopefully this is not something we'll ever see again, not this big, but we just experienced the biggest earthquake in these parts, and let's hope that it doesn't get any bigger, and that's the last one. I was in bed right here last night, or the night before, when the first one came, and I was sleeping here, and it shook me so much, and I was looking at all this above me, and I was thinking, holy mackerel, I've just got a bunch of concrete freaking pillars here, and the world is shaking. It shook me right out of bed. And I was thinking, man, where I'm in an earthquake, this whole thing can fall down. Then I checked, and I was like, holy mackerel, yesterday's was a 5.1. And then today it was much bigger and stronger. And and the epicenter was about 5-10 miles, a little bit closer today. So it shook a lot. And you got to worry about when there's earthquakes is tsunamis. You know, this water can come right into this canyon. You see how you got a canyon right here? So our beautiful views is awesome, but this is the only canyon system like this around us. That's what makes this place so beautiful, but you can see there's no place for the water to go. So if a tsunami comes, it comes up through this, and yeah, that's not a good feeling after an earthquake, seeing the water just rushing in as a tsunami, and it gets trapped in here. You can see it, not this way, because we got canyons over here, and you can see it. So if a tsunami came through here, rushing through here, it's not going anywhere, folks. See it? It's not going anywhere. It's not going past this. So it would just keep filling full. You see what I'm saying? So I felt like, oh, you know, I'm up high. You're overlooking the town. The good thing is according to chat, which I don't know how smart that guy is, but I hope he's smart. He says the odds are, because the way the shelves are out here, is not very probable for a major tsunami in this area. Now, I don't know. Would you believe that guy would hit your life? But anyhow, I thought I'd let you guys know of the early morning shake up here